Tips to transition into veganism. More and more people are considering a healthier way of life to lose weight, get fit, prevent illness and save the planet. One of the most effective ways to do this is to adopt a plant-based diet. Even with the best intentions, changing the way you eat can be hard. Here are some tips that can make it just a little bit easier. Do it for yourself, not animals. Some people go vegan thinking that they're doing it to help animals who are suffering in farms and slaughterhouses. This is admirable, but you need to also think of your own health too. Do your research. If you're thinking about becoming vegan, then you should do your research first. A vegan diet can be deficient in some nutrients such as vitamin B12 and calcium. To overcome this, research what foods need to be included in your diet to make sure you're getting a full quota of all the nutrients you need. Prepare yourself for the downsides. There are meat substitutes for things like bacon, sausages and burgers. Is eating substitutes the route you want to go down, or do you want to just eat natural foods? Try meatless Mondays. If you do it gradually and it goes wrong, then it won't be as bad as if it were you changed everything at once. Meat-free Monday is an easy transition into veganism because one day isn't going to make a huge difference, and it's better than doing nothing at all. Keep your new diet in mind when eating out. Eating out is something you need to consider if you're a social butterfly. Is your regular restaurant vegan friendly? One of the easiest cuisines to find vegan food is Indian. Chinese restaurants also cater for vegans. If Italian is your thing, then pizza and pasta are the perfect bases for lots of yummy vegetables. Consider if it's worth it. If you want to give up meat for ethical reasons, it's not just about the food you put in your mouth. There are other products made from animal byproducts. These include the obvious things like leather bags, shoes and belts, but have you considered that there are animal components to many beauty products? Understand what veganism is and isn't. Some people become vegan with the expectation that they can now eat unlimited amounts of cookies or crisps because they're now vegan friendly. This is not true or realistic. Oreos are still full of fat, salt and sugar, and despite the hype, are not actually vegan. Visit a farm. You could visit a farm to see what actually happens to the animals that are raised for meat and dairy. You're likely to find this eye-opening, shocking, and even upsetting, but it's crucial to think about where your food comes from. Prepare yourself for bad comments. Finally, be aware that people will almost always be judgmental when they find out about your new lifestyle. It is human nature. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.